To change a tube on a miniAV-LT, you begin by removing the top of the unit. You would then remove the front cover by removing the 4 screws on each side. Pull the cover directly off. You then empty the bath by removing the cap and emptying into a clean bottle. Turn the lever and let drain completely. After draining, close the lever and recap the unit for refilling later. You would then come around to the front of the unit, remove the temperature probe, unhook the light, and remove the light. You would then loosen and remove the air tube and take off the solvent drains. You would then remove the thermistor connection. And unscrew the top screws to the holder, a little at a time, evenly on both sides. Then pull the viscometer out. If you need to start with a small screwdriver to get under the holder, you can. And it may help to grab the top of the screws and pull straight out. Once the cover is released, grab hold of the tube tips, wiggle, and pull out. You would then reinsert the new tube, fitting it into the hole. And pushing down until you hear a click. You would then reverse the process of removing it, starting by screwing it in, first finger tight, and screw evenly on both sides. Continue screwing down until it's tight and the holder is flush with the unit. Replace the air hose. Replace the temperature probe. Replace the light, making sure the nodule fits straight down into the opening. And reconnect. Then reattach, making sure that the ferrule fits flush onto the tube. And screwing finger tight. Do not over tighten. Making sure the red dots line up. Continue to push in your thermistor until it clicks. And refill the bath. Insert a funnel and pour your bath fluid in. While refilling the bath, look in the right side. You'll be able to see tubing, and underneath, behind the sheet metal, you'll see a crossbar. Do not fill past that crossbar or you will have it backing up into the machine. After filling, remove the funnel, replace the front cover and screws. And put the top back onto the machine.